Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. JP Saxe. Smartphone made me dumb. Maybe somebody out there who can agree on that. Anyway, we're gonna look into this cool song, and we're gonna do that with capo on the first fret. And this is a piano-based song, so that means we're gonna work with just straight downs. Okay. So first we need the chords. Let's go over the chords, and we're gonna start with the D minor 7. So you're gonna play open D, second G, first B, and first E. The last two, B and E string there, I play a short little bar with my index finger to get these two notes. Okay, so that is the D minor 7. Next chord is the F. So place the index finger as a bar on the first fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have C next, and that goes third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We also got the C E chord, so that means you hold the very same grip, but you also incorporate the E string in the bass, plus the C chord. That's C E. Next is the A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the G, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And we also got the G B chord. That means you start from this second A, so you don't play the last E string there. Take that away and try to focus to get this second fret B string. Everything down there will be the same as in the G chord. Okay, so you just take away the third E. And there you have all the chords needed for the song. And like I said, just straight downs. It goes pretty fast. So let's start with the first verse. We have the D minor 8, we have F 8, we have C 6, A minor 2, then G 5, and the GB 3. And that is one chord progression round. You're going to play for 2 rounds. I'm going to take down the tempo for you a little bit and play through. I'm going to speak me while I'm playing, so let's follow. So we're going to start with the D minor 7, 8. F8. C6. A minor 2, G5. GB3. That is one round. And you're going to play 2 rounds of that. Then comes the chorus at 36 seconds in. You're going to play A minor 8, F8, C6, A minor 2, and G8. You're going to play that for 1 round. Again, I'm going to play a little bit slower than the standard tempo and speak me while I'm playing. So let's go for A minor 8. F8. C6, A minor 2, and G8. And that's the only round you're going to play for chorus. And then comes the post-chorus part at 50 seconds in. Don't Leave Me, that's where you're on the lyrics. Now you're going to play D minor for 8 rounds, or sorry, 8 downs, G 8 downs, then the C E 8 downs, and A minor 8 downs. You're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds. So let's do one together. Again, I'm gonna play me while I'm speaking. D minor 8, G8, CE 8, and A minor 8. And that's the first round of everything. You're going to play that for 2 rounds, okay? And you finish the first round, now into this second round, and that is exactly just repetition. The verse, the chorus, the post-chorus part is just played exactly in the same way. That follows with the final part of the song, the outro part, at 2 minutes and 26 seconds in. What you're going to do here is simply to play 1 down on D minor with a pause, then 1 down on G with a pause, and 1 down on the CE. And that is the end of this beautiful song from Saxe called Smartphone Make Me Dumb. All right, so maybe a guitar will make you smarter. I believe so. So grab one, get your favorite song here on Goring Guitar and learn it. Hope you enjoyed this specific tutorial, and if you did, leave me a like on it. I appreciate that a lot, and see you soon. Play tuned.